pretty much I'm gonna be creating a Raspberry Pi case. This right here, it's my Raspberry Pi monitor. As you can see, this is what the Raspberry Pi monitor looks like. It's a touchscreen, and this thing right here is my Raspberry Pi. That's my Raspberry Pi right here. And this over here is my power boost. Pretty much it lets me charge my lithium battery, and that over here is my power switch. So this right here is the battery, this is the power boost, and then this is where the power switch will be going. So this is right here is my new Pro logo. It's gonna work as a vent in the back, and as you can see, these are the screws that will be screwed onto the 4-leg monitor, and I'll be putting it together later on.